Okay, done. Hello guys, good afternoon all. So we're just going to have a beautiful topic here, automation testing. So we need to quick revise what is meant by automation testing here. Nowadays it is booming in the market. Okay, so what is meant by automation? Boss, before going to start what is meant by automation testing, we should know the manual testing here. Now, for example, I have one software. Okay, and we can test this software with the human interaction. I have one human here, user. So we are checking or we are testing this application with human interaction. With human interaction. So this is called as manual testing. What is meant by manual testing? The process of checking the software's functionality with respect to human interaction. So human interaction in the sense what? Boss, we can write the manual test cases here. Manual test cases here. Okay. So this is about the manual testing. But what is our theme here? Our theme is automation testing. So what is meant by automation testing then? Automation testing in the sense we need to convert these manual test cases into automation scripts. So can I write here the process of converting manual test cases into automation scripts is called as what we called it as, guys? Very good. Automation testing. Automation testing. Okay. But automation testing requires two things. First thing is we need one programming language. We need one programming language, and second thing we need one tool, guys. So which programming language we are using here? We are following Java as a programming language. Java as a programming language, and we are using Selenium WebDriver as a tool. Selenium WebDriver as a tool. So what is my question here? So if you want to write the automation scripts or if you want to do the automation testing, we should have to connect this Java with respect to your Selenium. So what is my question, sir? How this Java is connected with the Selenium? That is called as Java Selenium Architecture. What we call it as? Java Selenium Architecture. I'll say you how the Java and Selenium is connected. So here, okay. See, I'll put the heading here. Java Selenium Architecture. Boss, as I told you, Java Selenium Architecture contains one programming language, that is Java, and one tool called as Selenium. So first of all, I'll write Java here. Boss, this Java can be communicate with the Selenium. Java can be communicate with the Selenium by using JSON wire protocols. By using JSON wire protocol. If someone asks you what is this JSON wire protocol, sir? Boss, this JSON wire protocol is nothing but it is one API. What is this? It is the API. And combinedly, observe here, and combinedly they are communicating with browser classes. Which classes? Browser classes. What are the browser classes are there? Chrome, Firefox, Opera and Edge. Okay now. So first Java will communicate with Selenium by using JSON wire protocol, and combinedly they will communicate with the browser classes by using what we can say driver executable files. Driver executable files. It is also called as .exe files guys. What we call it as .exe files here. Observe carefully. First of all, Java is communicating with the Selenium by using JSON wire protocol, and combinedly Java and Selenium they are communicating with the browser classes by using driver executable files. So this process is called as Java Selenium architecture. Java Selenium architecture.